So back with another video. Don't think I've spoke too much about this. This was a build project probably about a year ago. Just an old whippersnipper that I bought from like a salvage place. I think it was like $20. Pretty sure it runs. Pretty sure I fired it up once and that was it. And then the little kind of primer bulb started to deteriorate, and then bought all the parts to fix it up and just never really got around to doing it again. And then you've got a bunch of parts in there which we'll speak about, but it's a RC boat about 1100 long, and there is two of the pontoons that go up on the side. I will show them after this video, but just wanted to come in here and just check a few parts out. You can see that was the propeller that I 3D printed. That was actually the first thing that I ever did with the 3D printer. Worked out really well. Then there was a custom like a velocity stack or air cleaner. You can see that there, and that pretty much will just shoot out the side. And then I got bored one night, designed the second version, which has the sponge in it. It's got a little hole in there, so you can just maybe put a little screw in there just to hold it, both sides. You can see it clips. And then if we can get the sponge out, so that there, just on its own, I believe, because it was so thick, was probably about a 5-hour print. Absolutely still as strong as anything. That's about 2 years old, I guess. What else have we got that we're looking at? There we go, that was something that I was looking at. The rudder, full, just a custom plexiglass rudder, 3D printed, M6 shaft going through it. So let's see, it'll sit like that somewhere. Little servo will probably end up turning that. When I say little, I probably mean about a 10 kilo servo. I'm going to use some bike cables to run through. That's going to push and pull back and forward. That way the servo is going to be protected in a little probably watertight container. And yeah, you can see the small little kind of propellers that didn't really know where to put, so I thought I'd put them up there. There's another little 3D printed one. 3D printed one. It's a bit thin, a bit small for this application. Still fine. See, look. Yeah. So, just a little bit thin. So, otherwise it's still pretty good. And then here's just a quick little prototype, uni joint. So